Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two CRM platform, which is Zoho CRM and Close CRM. So to get started with a quick overview, Zoho CRM is a comprehensive and highly customizable CRM platform that supports business of all sizes with tools of sales automation and multiple channel communication analytics and integration across the Zoho suite. Talking about Close CRM on the other side is a modern sales-focused CRM design significantly for inside sales teams, emphasizing speed, automation, and built-in calling and emailing features for high-velocity outreach. Talking about Zoho CRM strength and weakness on the other side, revealing the strength, it has a flexible workflow and deep customization. It also integrates with Zoho ecosystem, which comes with e-books, campaign, and mails, and has an AI-powered sales insight together with multi-channel engagement. Talking about the weakness on the other side, it has a setup and learning curve can be time-consuming, and also the interface not as fast as a modern Close, and some features locked behind the higher tier plans. Now talking about the Close CRM on the other side, revealing the strength, it has a built-in calling, SMS, and email with a automatic login. It has an easy-to-use UI design for sales speed, and also powerful automation and task follow-up. Now, talking about the weakness and downside of this, it is not as flexible or broad in use with case as Zoho CRM. It also has a limited to sales and no marketing automation or sales tools. That's a higher starting price point, which can be a downside for new users. So here's the overall conclusion. So if you want a customizable or all-purpose CRM that supports sales, marketing, and support across your entire business, just go for Zoho CRM. Then from the other side, if your sales teams is the priority and you need fast and speed, or you also want an higher touch outreach tools to drive results without complexity, just go for Close CRM. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section which of these CRM platform would be the best option for you to use in 2025. Thanks.